In this video, I am going to show you how we can create the Performance Max campaign. Hello guys, myself Nadeem. I am a Dubai-based digital marketer helping businesses all over the world to grow online. Guys, recently Google has launched the very strong and very powerful ad campaign option, that the Performance Max campaign. So guys, in this particular video, I am going to show you step by step how you can create the Performance Max campaign, which would be really beneficial for you to grow your business online. So now we are already on the computer screen here. Now I am already on the dashboard of the Google Ads, and now here I'm gonna show you. Firstly, you can create on the new campaign. Okay, here we have a lot many options to create the campaign. If you'll be clicking on any of the options, you won't get the option to go for the creating the Performance Max campaign. Suppose example here this is the lead generation, this is the website traffic, this is the product and branding. So here we can't like go for the Performance Max, but for going to the Performance Max campaign, you have to clicking on the create the campaign without a goal guidance. So here you will be getting the option called the Performance Max campaign. Here you can click, and here you will be finding the option that what exactly you want. You want the phone calls, or you want the website traffic, or any of the options. Here it will be giving you the multiple options to go and to like get what exactly you want. Okay, after that, here it is that the website, okay, account, and the phone call, lead, directly the lead generation kind of. So here you can click on the continue, and here this is the Performance Max campaign, the first we are creating here, or you can say that test campaign, something, any kind of like. Okay, so you can go to the particular dashboard of this Google Ads here now. So now guys, here you have to spend the money. Firstly, you just have to go for the Google keyword planner, and there you can see that as per the business, you can see that what exactly the bidding is going on and how much money you can spend for a complete 1 month, how much like the ROI you maybe can expect, or everything. There will be the biddings are going on each and every single keyword, so you'll be getting to know the idea of the price, how much exactly you have to keep the money for spending here in the Performance Max campaign. So as per that, you just decide that how much exactly you wanted to spend per day. So here we'll be having the option here that enter the average you wanted to spend each day. So each day how much you wanted to spend. Suppose example, each and every single day maybe you wanted to spend around 50 dirhams every single day, 50 dirhams for getting the good ROI from your investment. Okay, so now after that, what you want exactly, you want the conversion or conversion value, both are similar kind of, so you can go with the conversions only. And here the set a target per action, like how much CPA you want, how much the cost per click. Suppose example, now we are spending 50 dirhams. Okay, 50 dirham per each day, and you can like mention maybe 0.50 here. Okay, 0.50 means that you are just giving the direction to Google that Google should not supposed to deduct more than 0.50 dirhams for a single click from your wallet. That is how it's worked. But initially I'll suggest you guys, maybe whatever the bidding price is going on as per the keyword, don't keep the set target. Why? Because let's the Google play with your particular website or particular campaign initially. Why? Because your campaign is completely new, so Google will take little time to completely optimize and to like grow your particular campaign to rank on the Google search result. Later on you can see that how much the ROI you will be getting, how many conversions you will be getting, and as per that particular stats you can keep the amount over here what exactly you wanted to spend per cost per click. So that is how you have to go, and then the next you can do. After that guys, you have the option called the location. I have already shown in my previous video that how you can select the location. Okay, so you can select all the countries and territories, or else you can select only the United Arab Emirates, where exactly you will be living, or whatever the country you will be in. Apart from that, you can even select any of the location wherever you wanted to run your particular ad all over the world. Okay, here we have the complete the geographical map here, and as per this particular map you can select any of the location. Okay, I have even already showed you in my previous videos, so you can go and you can watch how exactly you can target any of the specific area for running the ad campaign. Apart from that, what exactly the language you wanted to select. Okay, so wherever you will be living, whatever the country you will be into, and what exactly the language you wanted to like select for running the ad campaign, you can select from this all. Okay, options we have all over the like the languages we have here, so you can select any of the language. After that guys, here you have the ad schedule, so the days and times, everything, the Monday Friday, or Monday to Friday, or Saturday to Sunday, what exactly the day and date and time you wanted to run your ad, you can select from this particular point. And here we have the start and end date, so you can even select the date also, what exactly from which particular date to what particular date you wanted to run your ad. Apart from that, you have even the final URL expansion. So here we have the send the traffic to most of the relevant URL on your website. Here Google is suggesting us that, guys, the Google will send the traffic to those particular pages only where the traffic is most relevant page, or any of the like this. Or maybe if you'll be like running the ad campaign for the real estate or something, so real estate guys will directly target to any of the specific landing page to show, and also that is how you have to select this kind of send the traffic to the provided URL only. Whatever the URL, whatever the website link you will be giving to the Google ads here to the max performance max campaign, the performance max campaign work for this specific website only, specific link only. That is how it's work, guys. After that you can go to the next. Here you don't have to set up any of the thing. And here, guys, this is the ad group. So this is the ad group here, like we have in the search. Here also we'll be having the ad group. You can keep any of the name to this particular asset group 1. So here the asset group 1 we have. So here, guys, you need to keep the final URL. Suppose example, now I am giving the my website URL only here. Okay, so you have the option like this. Okay, apart from that, here you will be having the option like, guys, you can select the images. Okay, up to 20 images, whatever exactly the product and service you wanted to showcase. With the help of the performance max campaign, you can keep all the product images here. Firstly, you just get your images done, what exactly the product you wanted to showcase. Here with the help of the performance max campaign, you can create the graphics of this, you can create the infographics of this particular product, and then you can keep the 20 images over here like this. Okay, and the size of the images would be Google showing you here, guys. Recommended size 1200 by 628, and the minimum size of the 600 and the 314, like that, something for every single image the size would be here. So as per this particular sizes you can go, and then you can add the images. Here you will be having the images like the asset library, scan website. Google can directly scan your website for getting the images also, and you can directly upload also here. So I'm having few of the images here. Okay, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 like this, so I can keep the images. You can keep the 20 images at least, minimum to maximum. Okay, like that. So you can go for this kind of images all over the, and here is showing you that here after that you'll be having the option to add the logos also. So any of the logo you can add. I'm just adding few of the logos over here now, and then you can even having the option to add the video links also, up to 5. Okay, here you can add the 5 logos option, and here you will be having the option to go with the 5 video links also. So like that you can add the videos as well. So guys, it's showing you here that how your ad looks like in the Gmail and in the search. So here it's like showing you here like this, this kind of. Okay, so yeah, in the computer it show like this, and here in mobile phone it show like this. Apart from that, you can go with the headline and all, like I have showed you in my previous video, that how exactly you can go for the 3 headlines and the descriptions and all. So you can keep any of the headline, the catchy headline. You can go to the Google, you can search on the Google related to your competition, what exactly the competitors has kept it over there. As per that you can just imagine, or as per that you can prepare your headlines and all, and the description and all, and you can keep all the description over here. Like suppose example, best branding platform, grow your business online, boost your business on internet. Not more than 30 characters. Okay, so here like this the Google has shown the 30 characters the limit over here. Boost your business online. Okay, that is how you have to keep the 3 headlines here. Google will show the headlines and the description as per the Google search results over there. Okay, and the long headline would be the 90 characters you have to keep. The best platform to grow your business online, your final online marketing solutions. That is how guys you have to keep. So as per the results, as per the search results, the Google will show your particular ad over there. So that is how it works. So the short description and the description, short description would be 60 characters and the long description would be 90 characters you have to keep here. So that is how you have to keep, and you can keep the what we can say, the call to action also guys. Suppose example, you can go for the contact us, you can go for the sign up, you can go for the apply now, get quote, and the learn more, any of the one, book now, shop now, anything. Okay, so you can go for the contact us. In my case I'm just going with the contact us. Okay, the business name is like Kennedy something. You can keep any of the business name, whatever the business name you'll be having, and you can use for the mobile phone. If you want to go with the separate dedicated URL, so you can go with the dedicated URL for the mobile phone as well. Okay, so here you can keep the mobile phone URL. Okay, after that guys, you can go with the create the audience signal. Here I'm showing you here that you can like come to the Google Gmail here, and apart from that here you can come to the search results also. Here the particular campaign is in beta now. Yeah, here we didn't selected any of the location, so that is the reason it's asking error. Yeah, now we are done. So here guys, you can come to this particular now. Here it will showing you the discovery and the Google search result, and here it will be showing the YouTube also, but here it is in the beta version now, and here it is not giving the full access to me. That is the reason it's showing just the Gmail and the Google search, but it will be having the multiple more options. Here it would be the discovery we have, it would be the YouTube we have, and like that we have a lot many like the other options to go all around the Google for running the ad. Okay, so that is how we have, and here you can come to the particular create the audience signal, and here you can keep any of the audience signal name. Here you can come to the custom audience segment. Here you can go for the people with any of the interest of purchase, people with any of these interest or the purchase intention. Suppose example, you'll be having the intention to go to this particular product and service page, and you can purchase from there. So Google will show the advertisement to you only who have the interest to purchase the particular product. So that is how the Google having the lot of inventory, Google having the huge database. So as per that particular database, as per the machine learning algorithms and all, Google will show that particular ad to that person will be having the intention to go and to purchase that particular product, or else the people who search for any of these kind of the options kind of, or else the Google will show to those people who can search this kind of the options, the product, and search product and like the services all over the Google. So that is how you have to select, and the people who browse this type of website, and the people can browse this type of website, Google will show this particular advertisement to those people also, and the people who use this kind of applications. Okay, so here it will showing in the applications also, like ad campaign, the display ad campaign. It's showing the display ad campaign in the mobile applications also. Maybe you have seen that. So I have covered in my previous video how exactly the ad has shown in the mobile application also. You can go and you can check the previous videos if you'll be interested into that. After that guys, you can come to the data. Okay, from here you have to like get the data. So how you'll be getting the data? Here you can browse the data, all visitors, like previously how many visitors has came to the particular website which you have created. From there the Google will capture all the data for like showing this particular ad again to this particular people who have already visited to your website. That is how it's work. After that guys, suppose example, if you'll be not having any of the data on the website, so you can create the data from the Google Ads. Here will be having the multiple options. From the Google Analytics you can capture, from the Google Ads you can capture. So that is how I'll be showing you in my further video how exactly you have to capture the data. Okay, and here it is that the interest and the detail and demographics. So here guys, you can like whatever the industry you are be into, you can capture the industry detail from here, from this particular life event in market segment detail and if in infinity and all. So from here you can select any of the retirement, purchase, or here guys employment, house ownership status, education, or here the sport, fitness, shoppers, news, politics and lifestyle, and home, beauty, garden, everything here will be having the technology, travel and all. So here will be having the huge database. Here will be having the huge like the kind of the target signal, and here you can come to the demographics. Here you can target the female, male, unknown, from the age group, from which particular age to what particular age people you wanted to target, and additional demographics, the parent, not parent, unknown, everything here will be having the option to target to the people. Okay, after you are done with this all this stuff, you can go to the next, and here we'll be having the option to go for the extensions, guys. Here I have previously chosen the two extensions, like the call extension, and apart from that the different extension I have, site link extension I have chosen. But apart from these two extensions, you can come to this particular all the other extensions also, like the lead form extension, structure snippet extension, price extension, all these extensions, call out extension and all. I have dedicatedly created the video related to the extensions also. You can go and you can watch in my complete series of the Google Ads. So you'll be getting to know everything about the extensions, guys. Okay, after you are done with the extensions and all, okay, so you can come to the final, the summary. Here we didn't selected any of the extensions, so here Google has giving the option to us. Okay, after that I can even select any of the extension here. Now we are done with the extensions also, and then here we can come to the final summary. So summary having at least the two description required, at least the one short description required. Here in asset group we didn't kept any of the description, so that is the reason Google is not allowing us to go further related to the particular like the ad. Here we have the description, the best way to grow your business online, find the more customers with the help of Google Ads. Here I have given the description, here call to action, and all this stuff is done. Now we are done with the extensions also, call extensions and the site link extension. And after that, guys, here the Google is showing that they add the audience signal for the faster optimization. So here, guys, Google even giving the option to us to add the audience signal here. Whatever the audience signal we have, as I showed you just now, here we can add the audience signal. And see, guys, how the advertisement looks like. The advertisement looks like this in the Gmail. Okay, if you'll be like seeing that particular Gmail account, if you'll be serving the Gmail account, so here you'll be finding this kind of advertisement in your Gmail. And here at the Google in the search result it will show like this. Here it will showing in the discoveries also, like suppose example in any of the Android, you can just swipe the right and you'll be finding the discovery. So there also you'll be getting this kind of the display advertisement. In the YouTube also you'll be getting the advertisement with the help of the videos and all, as I have showed you just now. If you'll be not having the video, so Google will create the video by the own with the help of the titles, descriptions and all. So here Google will showing the skippable advertisement over there, or the discovery advertisement on the YouTube as well. Apart from that, it will be going to the email. Apart from that, here will be coming to the Google search results. So it will going to the 4 to 5 channels, guys. Okay, I'll be showing you whenever the beta version has been like fixed. I'll be showing you what exactly all the channels will be having for like going for all over the Google. Okay, so that is how everything is done. And now here we are done with everything. Google like this asset group, yeah, here Google asking us to go for the create the audience signal, but as of now we are not creating. Okay, we can choose any of the option here. Just a second. Here you can go with this particular option, and here you can select the data. This one you can go for and you can save. Okay, here audience name and a theme, fine, anything you can keep as per your intention. Okay, you are done with this. Okay, now we are done with the ad extension, site link extensions also, and here we are done the test campaign, name of the campaign, here the performance max campaign, goal, phone call, leads, website, call from the ads. Okay, apart from that, the how much budget you'll be spending, 50 dirhams per day, bidding price, maximum, maximize the conversion. Okay, maximize the conversion, like you know, right, I have already created the video related to all the conversions and all. So you can go and you can check it out, that video also, for getting to know everything about the target audience, about the maximize conversion, only conversion, everything I have created, guys. Okay, after that the locations in all countries and territories and all languages, and the ad schedule, Friday and all day, and URL extension, and then asset group, and the 6 images, 4 logos, 1 videos, 3 headlines, 2 long headlines, 2 short descriptions. Okay, apart from that, the audience name is Canadian. After that, the call extension I have given with the 2 contact numbers, and the site link I have given with the particular the what we can see, the property or any of the kind of site link I have given over here now. Okay, so that is how you have to go. You can create, you can select any of this statement, any of the state or territory, everything, guys. Okay, so now we are done with this particular campaign. So now you just go and publish the campaign, and like it is done. Okay, if you'll be having the budget, whatever the budget you have added in your wallet, so that is how the Google will deduct the amount as per the daily basis. So here the complete performance max campaign has done. If you'll be having any of the doubt or query, so please please send the message in the comment down below. I'll be very happy to see that particular comment, and next I'll be gonna create the video for you for clarifying the whatever the doubt you'll be having related to any of the Google Ads, okay, Google Ads options. So that is how guys everything is done in this particular video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Till the next video, take care and bye bye.